The shortcode is a useful means that allows displaying different content on the pages of your web store. Let's see how using a shortcode I can display a currency switcher wherever I want. Let's say I want to add a currency switcher to a navigation menu. I need to go to the settings section of the LangShop admin and click Currencies. On the Currencies page, I click Switchers and choose the switcher I need or add a new one by clicking on the Add New Switcher button. I choose Relative in the Switcher Position drop-down menu and then copy the switcher's shortcode. Now I go to the online store section of my Shopify admin and click Navigation. On the navigation page, I click Main menu. If you want to add a currency switcher to the footer, click Footer. On the main menu page, I go to the Menu Items box and click Add New Item. In the pop-up window, I paste the shortcode into the name field and type the hash symbol in the link field. Then I click Add. Now I click Save and the switcher will appear in the navigation menu of my store. Just make sure that the currency switcher that you add to a navigation menu is enabled. Let's take a look at my stores page. Everything is perfect. The currency switcher is in the navigation menu. If someday I decide to delete the currency switcher from my navigation menu, I can click on the trash icon near its shortcode on the main menu page. I've described how to add a currency switcher to a navigation menu, but a shortcode is a universal thing that allows to insert a switcher to any content. Let's say I want to add a currency switcher to the product's description. I need to copy the shortcode, make the first two steps described above, open the product and paste the shortcode into its description field. After I save the changes, a currency switcher will appear in the product's description.